Welcome for Tech for Kids. Today we are doing nothing. JK, we don't know what we're doing. Wait. Look. It's that driver car game.
So today we're going to test out and review Mario Kart Live Home Circuit. Let's get started.
Yay! This is our little sister, you know.
So when we first heard about this, we were really excited. This essentially takes Mario Kart and puts it into your living room, right?
Yeah.
What else does it do?
You can control it.
You can control it, right. So it has a remote control car. So this is the Mario kit. There is also a Luigi kit.
Let's just open it.
And so to use this, you need a Nintendo Switch or a Nintendo Switch Lite and the game kit. Inside you get the cart, and then you get these 4 gates. You get 2 arrow signboards and a USB-C charging cable.
Open this. Oh. To get started, download the Mario Kart Live Home Circuit game. This says 4, this says 3, and this says 2, and this says 1. Okay, hold these, Clark. Okay. So here we have the cart, and I gotta pop those. Okay, Glenn. Yeah. Mario Kart. It's really fragile. There's only one, so it only comes in 1 pack. And here is the Mario Kart. I wonder what this is right here.
So that's the camera that will help you see where he's going on the Switch. Man, that looks so cool.
Wow. Guys, meet the mini vlog. But better. If you had a friend with a Nintendo Switch and you have one, if your friend has Luigi and you have Mario, you can play. Let's start building.
So let's head into the Mario Kart game. First thing we're going to do is connect our cart. Press your cart's ignition button. So where did you find that, Adele?
The button's just right here.
Okay, so we're gonna push that to get it connected. So we pushed it, and on the back, it's showing red and blue. So now we're going to point the camera at the QR code. So watch this. All right, now it has connected. Put it on the ground. And just like that, we're in our room. That's so crazy.
Whoa!
What?
It's driving! What? It's so smooth.
I ran into the thing.
Whoa!
No way.
That's so cool!
Ah, obstacle.
The Gwen. Also, it cannot drive on carpets. It will get stuck. So be careful. Oh no, the Gwen monster! How do you? Oh, that's how you. I gotta see my picture. So as you can see here, this is our kitchen. It's like a nice little tour. And we're circling around our counter. Adele, hurry.
So as you can see, the kids really love it so far, and we haven't even started playing. So we're gonna go and build a track, and then we'll show you how that works. So once we've had enough fun, we're going to press X to continue, and then push L. Oh, that's a good driver's license photo. It's perfect. Congratulations, we are now officially licensed. Good job, guys. Honk your horn when you're ready to learn about gates. Gates are used to mark your course. Let's set them up together.
As you see, you don't break anything. Right here, there's 2 little things. So you pull them out, but carefully because, look. We have a gate. So you will need a little help with your parents. This is not the whole setup.
So you make it flat, take it and push it in. And it's gonna snap into place like that. And then these go flat like that on the ground.
Make sure you set up the gates like in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you make a course. Make sure the gates are facing the correct direction for your course. Place heavy objects on the feet to prevent them from moving. Now let's set up the gates. So like the start where Mario goes through?
Yep, where's the beginning? Great, okay. Where does number 2 go?
Number 2 should go like over.
So one thing we need to make sure is we need a continuous loop. We need to be able to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row, and then be able to end back at 1.
We need to make 3 like right here. Mario will go through this all the way to here. Then it has to drive through the 2, get out the 3, then it goes through the 4 and stop back at 1. And that's how Mario will go. Let's get started. As you can see, as you just leave it alone for a while, he falls asleep on its car. But you press A, you've woken up. Meet me in front of gate 1. Drive through each of the gates in the correct order. Please don't pick up the cart while we are painting the course. Your cart will leave a trail of paint to mark the course. Go! And then you start driving. And there you have completed your track.
Can you pause it?
So as you see, I'm racing.
It's so crazy.
Now it's the last race.
Oh no!
I won. Ha ha, beat that Bowser's team. I got a new thing. Whenever you want to race or custom your cart, come find me at Gate 1. Move out of my way, girls.
Oh, you hit the thing. You're moving it. Hey, back up.
Back up. I'm not following the rules. I can do whatever I want.
So the kids have been playing with Mario for about an hour now, and we just got the warning that his battery has been depleted. So let me show you how to charge him up. So here to charge it, we need to plug it into the Nintendo Switch dock and into the side of the cart. And then to power it off, you can hold down the ignition button and that will power it off.
3 hours later.
Now let's take a look at the gameplay options.
So what you have is you have Grand Prix, where you can earn trophies. You have Time Trial to race alone for new rewards, and you have a custom race using custom rules. You go to the very bottom and it says custom cart. You press that one. And you can change your character, your cart, your horn. So you go to custom gate. So, and this changes the style of gates. If you want to change your course, it says create course. So you go into that. It'll say you'll need to create a course before you can start the race. If you want to do a race with other people, you press Grand Prix. And then it has speeds. So there's 50 and 100. Those are your beginners. So I'll say 100. And then you can choose a mushroom, a flower, shell, star, banana, leaf, lightning, crown, and if you can't choose, just press the question mark. Claire, which one do you want? So this one?
That one.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and press that and just say current course.
Oh no, it's Adele! Run, Mario! Good job. We'll make first place. Oh, there you go, the trophy. Okay, collect them all. Think you can do it?
Look, this is a builder one, and I'm a builder.
Oh, cool. And once you're done playing, collect all of your gates. I recommend folding them up, so you just need to pull the tab and then carefully put the tabs inside. And then I kept the box and the sleeve. And then for the cart, just make sure you power it off. So hold down the ignition button for 5 seconds, and then you can put that in the box and close it up until you're ready to play next time. All right, guys, what do you think about Mario Kart Live Home Circuit?
I think it is so fun.
So what was the most fun about the game?
Well, the most funniest was when I ran into the people's feet. It was so funny.
And it goes boom.
It's a screen right here. And I'm running into my dad's foot.
What about you, Claire?
Like the most funniest part is when I crashed into your feet when I was running around.
So that's probably going to be the favorite part, but that's also the hardest part because the obstacles are moving. Not only do you have obstacles in the game, but you have your little sister that you got to watch out for.
Yeah, she keeps grabbing and keep putting it where you started.
No! The good thing is, like, when I got stuck in the carpet, she helped me out. But when we first played this, she was just like, oh my gosh, it's a car. I need to chase it. It didn't work out well.
If you have longer carpet, it's not going to work as good. We had some flat carpet where it worked pretty good, but definitely hardwood floor is going to work the best as it did here. And then you also need to worry about range. So how far away your Nintendo Switch is away from the actual cart. And right now we're actually playing in the basement below the cart, and it's working pretty good so that we can demo on the TV here for you. But overall, it's been awesome. I think if we had two, a Mario Kart, a Mario and a Luigi, that would make it even better, right?
Yeah, it's just
all of them.
I really want like Mario, Luigi, Rosalina, Peach.
That would be so cool
Bowser.
if they came out with all those.
Then we can play with our cousins and do a battle.
It would be so fun.
It's even a dog toy or a cat toy.
No, don't let your dogs eat your carts.
I know, but they have to chase it.
The other thing you just need to know about is charging it up. So we played for about an hour and a half, and the battery ran out. We just had to plug it in with the included cable into the Switch. And I don't know exactly how long it took to charge. I thought the red light would change, but it didn't. So it may just take a little bit to charge, and then you are playing again. And the other thing is you do need to have a well-lit room. If it's too dark, you might not see some of the chairs that are in your way, and you'll just run into them.
We hope you like this Mario Kart video. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.